here forever. Another illusion I chose to create. You don't know what you got until it's gone. I found out just a little too late. I was acting as if you were lucky to have me, doing you a favor. Hardly knew you, but then you were gone, and it all was wrong. Had no idea how much I cared. Now being without you takes a lot of getting used to. Should learn to live with it, but I don't want to. Being without you is all a big mistake. Instead of getting easier, it's the hardest thing to take. I'm addicted to you, babe. You're a hard habit to break. Found someone